Jinzhou Tiegong Railway Maintenance Machinery Company Limited was established in 2001 with location in Jinzhou City of Liaoning Province. It is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sales and service of rail drilling, cutting, tamping, grinding machines, and hundreds of other series of railway equipment. Depending on our excellent technical team, we have obtained 26 patent certificates for our equipment, such as Intelligent Rail Tamping Machine Unit, Battery Rail Drilling Machine, Multifunctional Switch Rail Grinding Machine, and Automatic Fat Edge Cutting Machine. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment for production, including laser cutting machine, CNC machining center, and welding robot. In addition, our machines have been obtained ISO 9001, CE, and CRCC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces of our country, our products also have been exported to 45 countries and regions around the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. You can select a current product from our catalog or seek engineering assistance from our technical experts. Our sales manager will help you with quality service. Through cooperation with Foreign Project Department of China Railways, our products have been used in the new track lines of many neighboring countries. We have made an outstanding contribution to the One Belt, One Road policy.